Hey guys, another Halloween tutorial here for you, and this one is actually super easy and you can be super creative with it. Honestly, the actual Halloween portion will take about 5 minutes and you can do anything you want as far as the actual face makeup. I went a little more glamorous, a little more fun, but you can do something a little quicker, a little easier, and more simple as well. So it's just really flexible, and if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. hope you enjoyed this look. You can also really spice this up by doing the white all the way underneath to make like the open doll eyes. This is a cracked doll, but it's my interpretation on it to say that society is cracked. I know that's, you know, a little less fun, but I just pretty much hate the world right now, and I couldn't find anything I wanted to do for Halloween that was inspiring. So I said, you know what? Social media is cracked right now. Like, I can't even get on Facebook because it's politics and COVID, and I just don't want any part of it. So this is my cracked society, cracked social media Halloween look. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe button for more content in the future. I am super excited to be getting back into my business and doing many more tutorials. So yeah, exciting things on the horizon.